My park mate for today, Honda CB125F. The best specification. Consumption 65 km per liter, giving 800 km range of the full tank. 4-stroke single cylinder engine, OHC overhead cam, 2 valves, 123.9cc, air cooled, PGM FI electronic fuel injection, 10.7 HP at 7750 RPM, 10.4 Newton meter of torque at 6250 RPM, transmission 5-speed, seat height 799 mm, wet weight 117 kilograms, fuel capacity 11 liters, drum rear brake,